Strength in weariness. Lord, I pray for strength in weariness. I am tired. Perhaps it is physical exhaustion from too many demands and too little rest. Perhaps it is emotional exhaustion from carrying burdens I was never meant to bear alone. Perhaps it is spiritual exhaustion from striving, from trying to hold everything together, from the quiet erosion of hope. Whatever the source, I am weary and I need you. You invite the weary and burdened to come to you for rest. You do not scold me for my fatigue. You offer yourself. I confess that I often try to push through weariness in my own strength, believing that rest is a luxury I cannot afford. I treat exhaustion as a badge of honor rather than a sign that I've exceeded my limits as a creature. Forgive me for living as though everything depends on me. I pray that you would refresh my soul. Lead me beside still waters. Restore my soul, even if that means slowing down, saying no, or stepping back from things I thought were essential. Give me wisdom to discern what you are asking of me and what I have taken on that you never asked for. I pray for others who are weary, parents of young children, caregivers, pastors, those in demanding jobs, those battling illness, those worn down by grief. Sustain them. Send them moments of rest, unexpected refreshment, the kindness of a friend, a deep sleep, a word of encouragement. Let them know that you see them and that you are not indifferent to their exhaustion. Renew their strength like eagles. Let them run and not grow weary, walk and not faint, because their hope is in you. Amen.